everybody, CJ Camden here at Davis Road. I did call in about the burned out gate light, so it might go very slow through here. But anyway, we have a train coming. Check it out. Roll it. This is the eastbound train. Here on the CSX Erie West. This is on the CSX Erie West subdivision. And we may have a Norfolk Southern train on the Lake Erie district too, but I don't know yet. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. I think it's gonna go slow because I called in about the burned out light on the gate. More than likely. Yeah, the signals are on. If you do hear a crossing bell, it is the one behind me on Norfolk Southern. If you hear anything, because there are no bells over here in front of me. There used to be one, but they took it out for some reason. But here we go. Roll it. Yeah, it is just crawling, too. It's almost stopped. It is not stopped, but it is very close to being stopped. Or should I say, it is almost at a stop. And oh yes. Before the train clears the signal, I want to see what it is on the other track. We got a red signal as well. Symbol on that train is the CSX IO17, I believe. I'm not sure. It could be the IO10, for all I know. This train starts out in Chicago, Illinois, at Bedford Park. Heads east to Selkirk, New York, where it terminates. And then when the signals, there might be another train. Oddly enough, since the other track is red. Let me take a look before I end this video too. I don't see anything yet. But anyway, all on this Sunday, August 3rd of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube. And before we roll it, that's right, we have to go over to Norfolk Southern and see if we have a train. Or should I say, and see if we have a train meet. I heard that the Norfolk Southern 28B is running very late currently. Just don't know what main line it is going to be on. It may stay on the. It might stay on the Chicago line. I don't know. See here, nothing that way. And nothing this way. And once again, I don't know what the signals are on the west side of the signals, but I don't really want to walk up there and see we have a green signal. Here's a good look at the crossing. This is my first time here, and I plan on coming back here again sometime soon. I'm not going to say this is my last video here, but I am just saying that this is a popular place to go to, because the CSX main line is busier than the other. I think my dad is saying there's another train. Let me take a look. I just looked over here and there was not anything. I guess I'll go back over to CSX and see if we have another train. Because when I was over here, there wasn't. Just yet at the time. See here, nothing that way. And nothing this way. There's probably going to be one very close to here, so I will probably end my video here until the other one comes. So until then, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed, and that is it.